Prima facie, we are of the view that the SHO Kurni should be prosecuted for a criminal charge. Pass an order, we need to hear from the district magistrate, the superintendent of police and SHO Kurni to be sent to jail. Be ready for being sent to judicial custody. Collector, we are not at all satisfied by the action taken by the district magistrate.
In this case, Lordship, earlier occasion, Lordship, State is directed to file the counter affidavit, Lordship. He has filed the counter affidavit, Lordship, and he has accepted the claim of the petitioner, Lordship, but till date he has not paid the amount, Lordship. Actually, matter is, Lordship, release of Lordship wheat and bakula, Lordship. He has seized the Lordship. Thereafter, petitioner filed the case, Lordship, and entire case in favor of the petitioner, Lordship. After that, Lordship, collector passed the order.
I have not followed anything of what you have said. Now, you came here for this which relief?
And except for
Just a minute, give us few minutes. ये बकुला क्या होता है?
बकुला खाने का दाल का आइटम.
दाल आइटम. Yes, Mr. Alok Ranjan.
Your Lordship.
We, prima facie, we are of the view that the SHO Kurni should be prosecuted for a criminal charge, and the district magistrate, the salary of the district magistrate should be stopped. Your counter affidavit justifies this observation of the bench.
Moreover,
now, before we pass an order, we need to hear from the district magistrate, the superintendent of police, and SHO Kurni. SHO Kurni ought to be sent to jail. But before I pass an order, I need to hear him. Now, under whose orders did he sell the property, sell the food grains?
Oh, it was not sold, Your Lordship.
It has not been sold.
No,
it has been destroyed.
It was destroyed.
Now,
rather, Your Lordship,
where did he seek permission from the higher authorities to destroy? And where is the authority of the district magistrate who had seized not to have the petitioner restituted? Now, it's very easy for you to make this a statement that you are asking for 1/4 recovery from the SHO. Now, we are asking the district magistrate to be here to explain why this delay. Take down.
If Your Lordship may permit only one aspect of the matter.
Would you like an explanation to be given by the collector, or should he come here and say and be ready for being sent to judicial custody?
If Your Lordship may permit only one submission only Your Lordship, for Your Lordship's kind consideration.
This is disobedience of the order passed by the appellate authority.
That is what my submission is. For that particular purpose, the petition under Article 226 is not maintainable, Your Lordships. He ought to have filed an execution case. That is my humble submission for Your Lordship's kind consideration. Only to that effect, Your Lordship.
We will record the submission, we will reject the submission.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And we will have the district magistrate summoned here. Would you like the court to give a further time to the district magistrate to think about it? Lest the authorities may not say that the courts are very harsh.
Moreover, Your Lordships may consider only one aspect of the matter. This order, Annexure 3, the date may be seen, Your Lordships. Only for Your Lordship's kind consideration.
What order?
The date on which it was passed, Your Lordships.
What is the date on which?
The date is of 2016.
And
probably 2016.
You have not challenged that order. You have not challenged.
We have not challenged this.
And
the petitioner has also signed over this.
And your officer has the cheeks to ask his counsel to address the court that the order has been passed in 2016.
Moreover, that is not the case.
Moreover is something where you have something in your defense, and additionally you are giving something else for your defense.
Only on technical issues. Only on technical issues, Your Lordship.
What is the technical issue?
That he ought to have filed an execution case, Your Lordships. He has approached this Honourable Court after 5 years of passing of this order.
Therefore, the order of the appellate authority shall be.
No, Your Lordship, certainly not. I would be the last person to say that. I would be the last person to say that, Your Lordship.
We are asking the district magistrate to be here because it appears to be a case where the orders of the courts are not being followed, and you are waiting for. And we will record your submission that you say that unless an execution case is filed, the order is not to be accepted.
No, that is not.
If that is your submission,
that is not my submission. Certainly not.
Let him answer to this.
Certainly not, Your Lordship. That is not my submission. That was only an issue which was just
I think
placed
you would
before-
have done your job as a lawyer to advise your collector
We have
that
advised him.
before the court takes up the matter, the person concerned should be restituted.
Yes,
at
Your
least
Lordship.
the price of the commodity which was prevailing in the year 2008. Now, who is going to bear this responsibility?
If your lordships may kindly see, we have written that letter and we have written on our order sheet also, your lordship, the same view which has been taken by your lordship right now.
And which
we have conveyed this to the
which,
district magistrate.
which control order was violated when somebody was
That is settled, your lordships. That no order was violated. That is why, your lordship, in the year 2016, the order was passed by Honorable learned lower court, your lordships, to release food grains, either to release food grains in his favor, your lordships. And that was destroyed prior to that, your lordships.
Look here.
One opportunity of shorter time may be granted, your lordship, so that I may, since we have already
No, the
advised
affidavit,
them.
we will say.
An affidavit, your lordship.
We did ask you for that, but on second thought, we are of the view that no opportunity ought to be given. We need to call the district magistrate. This counter affidavit is offensive.
Ji.
It's offensive to the sensibilities of a court.
We will be the last person to defend that order, your lordship.
You're right.
Being the officer of the court,
We are
your lordship.
happy at your being so dispassionate about it.
Ji, lordship. Certainly, your lordship may pass it.
Well, let him come.
Yes, your lordship.
Heard Mr. What is your name?
Rajiv Ranjan, Lordship.
And concerned SHO may be also be called upon, your lordship, the then SHO.
The court takes notice of the authority which has to execute the order.
Ji.
Now, SHO is too small
Ji.
an officer. Again, heard Mr. Rajiv Ranjan
Lordship.
for the petitioner and Mr. Alok Ranjan for the state. The petitioner has approached this court under exceptional circumstance that despite the appellate order directing for restitution of food grains which was illegally seized to the petitioner, or in the alternative to pay him the market value of the goods so seized in the year 2016, nothing has been done in that regard, on the lame plea of the petitioner not having filed any execution case for compliance of the order passed by the appellate authority, setting aside the order of the collector confiscating the food grains bracket mein wheat and bakula, a lentil. Stop. 88.5 quintals of wheat and 1.80 quintals of bakula bracket mein lentil referred to above was seized on the accusation of the same being transported for the purposes of black marketing. A FIR also was registered against the petitioner, which finally ended in his acquittal by judgment in order dated 20